Hello and welcome. I'm Rutuja from Serenova Coaching. Today we will do a guided meditation for caregivers and 3 tips for wellness. Let's begin. Find a quiet place, sit down or lie down comfortably. Let your body rest, let your shoulders soften, let your eyes gently close. Get comfortable and get in your body now. Welcome in your body. This is your time to breathe, to pause, to refill your cup, not just as a caregiver, but as a human who gives so much, who loves so much, and who holds so much. You spend your days showing up for others, but in this moment, you're showing up for you. Take a slow breath in. Feel the air into your body and gently exhale, releasing tension, stress, worry of the days. Inhale deeply through your nose. Notice how the air moves in your body. Hold for a moment and exhale with your mouth open. Breathe like that a few more times. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Inhale, each breath softens you. Exhale, each breath grounds you. Stay in this feeling for a couple of minutes. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Now imagine your feet are growing roots and stretching down to the earth. Our beautiful Mother Earth is holding you back with all the embrace and warmth and love. We thank Mother Earth, Gaia. With every breath you're being held. You're safe in her embrace. You are enough. You're strong and calm. Stay in this feeling. Slow down again. Slow down intentionally. Now let us come into your heart space and our heart chakra. We feel love, peace, kindness, gratitude. When the heart is open, when it is bigger. Repeat softly in your mind. My heart is open and big to receive the love and care. I honor my work and I honor my rest. I am allowed to receive the care I give to others. My well-being matters. I release what I cannot control. I refill so I can pour into others' cups. I act from my heart with love. I say thank you to my body, mind, and soul. Thank you for supporting me. Let these words settle in your heart like warm light. Stay in this feeling of warmth and light. Now gently bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel the surface beneath you. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. You're here. You are whole. You are enough. Welcome back. For all the caregivers who look out for others, who care for others, we need to care for ourselves too. So, 3 tips that I'm going to give you that you can do throughout the week and continue. You have to take 5 minutes in each day just for yourself. It could be this meditation, sitting calmly in a quiet space, doing some breathing exercises. 5 minutes are just for yourself. Second tip, eating one nourishing meal a day. It could be a fruit, it could be a porridge, it could be a nice hearty one pot vegetable soup or combined with rice. One hearty meal each day, nourishing just for yourself. And the third tip, you have to talk to one trusted person each week. It could be a friend, family member, colleague. You don't have to carry it all. Share how you feel and you will feel supported. Remember, you're not just a caregiver, you're a soul, you're a light, and your wellness is sacred. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all that you do. See you in the next session. This is your space. This is Serenova. Atma Namaste.